Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lloyd. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you kindly subscribe to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the highest paying DevOps roles in 2026. In 2026, there are three DevOps roles where the gap between average salaries and top of the market compensation is so wide. In this video, I will break down the DevOps specialization that pays highly. Please take a second to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for more DevOps career defining videos. Now let's jump right into the video. The first we are going to look at is Cloud Security and DevSecOps. If you are someone who understands Kubernetes security hardening, supply chain security, and compliance as code, you are in one of the highest demand jobs in the market right now. And here is why. Security is no longer optional, it is built into the software delivery process. Companies are constantly dealing with security threats such as supply chain attacks, misconfigured cloud resources, and compliance pressure from regulations such as SOC 2 and then also ISO standards. So what are these companies paying for? They are paying for engineers who can lock down Kubernetes environment with proper role-based access control, network policies, and then runtime security. If you are someone who can secure an entire software supply chain and dependency control, you are operating in one of the top three DevOps roles. The second one is FinOps and Cloud Cost Engineering. As cloud bills has exploded over the last few years, companies have realized something very important. They've realized that this is not just a finance problem, but it is an engineering problem, and that is where FinOps engineers comes in. At scale, cloud weight is massive. We are talking about over provisioned Kubernetes clusters, idle resources running 24/7, poor auto scaling configurations, expensive on-demand usage instead of provisioning reserve instance and then spot instance to reduce cost. Companies are literally burning millions in this area. So what do high FinOps engineers actually do? Now, what they do is that one, they optimize application workloads for cost efficiency, that's right sizing resources and implementing scaling strategies. They also design smart reserve instances and cost savings plans for strategies. They also build visibility into resources and also new features that are being developed. Finally, they tie down infrastructure usage directly to business metrics. Now, here is the key factor. If you can save a company $2 million a year, the company pay you $250,000 is an easy decision for the company to make. And that is why the top end of this rule is so high, because the impact is directly measurable. The third one is AI infrastructure and then machine learning. The era of AI has created an entirely new infrastructure problem. DevOps engineers who can build and manage the infrastructure that runs AI workloads are in high demand. We are talking about GPUs clusters that cost thousands of dollars per day, high throughput data pipelines, model training pipelines that needs massive compute, real-time model serving at scale. Now, this is not your typical DevOps environment. DevOps engineers in this area are among the highest compensated engineers in the market today, and they are responsible for one, managing high GPU infrastructure efficiently, building pipelines for training, testing, and deploying models, designing low latency and high available model serving system, also optimizing performance versus cost for AI workloads. Here is why they are paid so highly. AI infrastructure is both expensive and business critical. A small optimization can save a company millions, and also a small failure can cause an entire product breakdown. The talent pool is still very small compared to the high demand. So if you understand both infrastructure and machine learning systems, you are operating in one of the most lucrative industries in tech today. Now, here is my advice for you. If you want to position yourself for high DevOps pay, don't focus on the tools, but rather focus on high impact problem areas like this. That's where the real money is. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like and share. I will see you in the next video.